Is your SafeLink SIM card not working? Let's troubleshoot. The most common reasons are physical issues, software glitches, or network problems. First, power off your device, then carefully remove the SIM card. Inspect it for any visible damage like bends, cracks, or corrosion. Use a soft, dry cloth or compressed air to gently clean both the SIM card and the SIM card slot, removing any dust or debris that might be interfering with the connection. Next, reseat the SIM, ensuring it's correctly oriented with the notch facing the right way. Power your device back on and check if the issue is resolved. Often, this simple cleaning and reseating can fix the problem. If cleaning and reseating don't work, try reactivating your SIM card. You can do this through the SafeLink app or website using the ICCID number found on your SIM card or its packaging. This refreshes your network profile and can resolve activation failures. If the SIM is damaged, request a free replacement from SafeLink. Since it's a subsidized service, replacements are typically covered if you're eligible and have verified your account. Keep an eye on trends like digital troubleshooting tools and potential future eSIM migration by SafeLink. While physical SIM cards are still common, experts predict a shift to cloud-based profiles, potentially phasing out physical SIM issues by 2030. In the meantime, these troubleshooting steps can help keep you connected.